A new drone on the block, introducing the Grom. The Grom Unmanned Aerial Vehicle, or UAV, has emerged as a potential game changer in the realm of unmanned warfare. Developed by Russia's Kronstadt Group, the Grom is a high-end, long-range combat drone. It boasts impressive technical specifications and capabilities. These include a substantial payload capacity, extended operational range, and advanced avionics. These features position it as a formidable asset in modern military arsenals. The Grom's emergence comes at a time of increasing global interest in UAV technology. Modern militaries actively seek to integrate unmanned platforms into their ranks. This is driven by the desire to enhance operational effectiveness and minimize risks to human personnel. The Grom, with its advanced capabilities, has naturally garnered significant attention. Many nations are evaluating its potential contributions to their defense strategies. Potential game changer. Advantages for India. For India, the Grom UAV presents a compelling case for consideration. Its high-end capabilities hold the potential to significantly bolster the Indian Air Force's operational reach and effectiveness. The Grom's long-range strike capability, for instance, could provide the IAF with extended-range precision strike options. This is particularly relevant in the context of India's security environment. India faces challenges from both Pakistan and China. Furthermore, the Grom's ability to operate at high altitudes and in challenging environments could prove invaluable. The Himalayan terrain, which presents unique operational challenges, could be effectively patrolled and monitored by the Grom. This capability enhances India's border surveillance and control mechanisms. It provides a significant advantage in safeguarding its territorial integrity. Beyond its direct military applications, the Grom's acquisition could also bring significant technological benefits. Collaboration with Russia on the Grom program could facilitate technology transfer. This would bolster India's indigenous UAV development capabilities. It would contribute to the growth of India's domestic defense industry. Such collaboration aligns with India's strategic goal of achieving greater self-reliance in defense technology. Challenges and concerns. A realistic assessment. While the Grom UAV offers enticing possibilities, a realistic assessment must also acknowledge potential challenges. Firstly, the Grom is still under development. Its full operational capabilities and limitations are yet to be fully tested and proven. Acquiring a system in its developmental stage carries inherent risks. These include potential delays, technical glitches, and cost overruns. India must carefully weigh these factors. Cost considerations also come into play. The Grom, as a high-end UAV system, is likely to come with a significant price tag. India needs to assess whether the potential benefits outweigh the financial implications, especially given competing defense priorities. A comprehensive cost-benefit analysis is essential. Integration issues represent another challenge. Integrating a new platform like the Grom into the IAF's existing infrastructure and operational doctrines will require careful planning and execution. Training personnel, establishing maintenance facilities, and ensuring seamless communication and data sharing protocols will be crucial. These integration efforts need careful attention. Section 4. The Indigenous Factor. Grom versus Ghatak. The potential acquisition of the Grom UAV also raises questions about its impact on India's indigenous UAV programs. India has been actively pursuing the development of its own unmanned platforms. An example is the Ghatak drone. The Ghatak is envisioned as a stealthy combat drone with strike capabilities. It is designed to meet the Indian Air Force's specific operational requirements. The induction of a foreign system like the Grom might raise concerns about potentially undermining these indigenous efforts. A balanced approach is crucial. India needs to carefully evaluate whether the Grom's capabilities complement or overlap with those being developed indigenously. Choosing between acquiring a readily available system like the Grom or prioritizing the development of indigenous capabilities like the Ghatak requires careful consideration of operational needs, technological timelines, and budgetary constraints. Section 5. A prudent path forward. Recommendations for India. In conclusion, the Grom UAV presents India with both opportunities and challenges. Its advanced capabilities hold the potential to significantly enhance the Indian Air Force's operational reach, provide strategic deterrence, and foster technological collaboration with Russia. However, challenges related to its developmental stage, cost, integration complexities, and potential impact on indigenous programs need careful consideration. A thorough evaluation of the Grom's capabilities and a comparison with existing and planned indigenous systems is necessary.